Argonaut Manufacturing Services has been successful really being focused on its core critical business. Outside of that, we rely on our key critical partners, which we term our ecosystem partners, to really make sure that we can deliver a successful product to our clients every time. PMS is one of those key critical partners.
As a life sciences company, we began working with PMS in the early 2018 timeframe. One of the benefits is that they're a solutions-oriented company. Their focus is on the same things we are, delivering solutions to their customer. PMS is a complete solution provider, much like Argonaut Manufacturing Services. We enjoy working with ecosystem partners like them because of their ability to actually transition from life sciences all the way through to the biopharma industry.
When I joined the company a few years ago, we had a project that was well underway with a filling line that was being fabricated and manufactured by SCAN and by Bosch & Strobel called the Verio system. And when I joined the company and learned more about the project, we were looking at the default system for environmental monitoring and realized at the time that the way the system was configured and integrated, that it would not meet the needs and our specifications for a high-level environmental monitoring system. We had already been through FAT, we contacted Particle Monitoring Systems, and were able to switch the system in record time and included both non-viable and total particulate system on the entire line. So with the 7 different types of counters and the power of Facility Pro behind it, we were able to meet all of our specifications, our timelines, and also be able to generate the data that was required as part of our specifications.
Particle Measuring Systems has the best products and software in the industry, but to provide a complete solution, you need to have more than just products. You need to understand the application of those products. And we have the best knowledge, the best experience, and the best quality systems.
The process went very smooth from commissioning through installation and operational qualification, and we couldn't be happier.
Argonaut and PMS were a great fit because of our shared emphasis and focus on quality and regulatory compliance.